guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Rust building system in Roblox Studio. Let's get into it. So, for some reason, Roblox is not letting me upload the model. So the uncopylocked place is going to be in the description where you can just edit it in Studio. So yeah, that's why there's a game link in the description. And also this works with multiplayer. So this is what it looks like. I made these icons myself. It will also come with the model. So yeah, it snaps. You can place down walls. And I've now added roofs. And there are doors. So yeah. And the roof will only be placed if there's at least like one wall standing. So you'll see here I can't place the roof. And if we place down one wall, then we can place the roof. So yeah, also later on in the video, I'll show you this like in multiplayer, like what it looks like on the server side. So I'm going to show you how to make a button, like another structure. So first things first, go put the folder in replicated storage and workspace. Then you'll see all the structures that I've added. And then duplicate, like whichever, I'll just duplicate the wall. Then I'm gonna like cut out a piece of the wall. There we go. Oh wait, you know what'd be cool? Let's do like a half wall like this. There we go. Now it kind of looks like a door. Then copy the floor attachments. Then paste it into here. Let's rename this to half wall V for vertical. Okay, then let's drag that into the structures folder, put that back in replicated storage. Now open up the tool, and let's duplicate one of these local scripts. Rename it to whatever you renamed the thing to in the structures, so mine's half wall V. Then go into here, find this line of code on line 15, then put in the name of your structure there. Then we have to go into the GUI, rename this blank one to whatever it's called, half wall V. Then go into the other frames and you need to copy the mouse script over. Then the building handler. So now in the mouse script here, put it in the description of whatever your structure is. So I'm going to say half of a wall but vertical. Then in the building handler, go here and say client placement, find the name, so wall V. And that should be it. Let's test it. Boom, half wall V, and it gives us the description. It's busy placing it. And then we can place it. And then there will also be a roof. That looks really cool, actually. Oh, and the reason why it's white on the side here, I forgot to do this. If it's a union, then you have to get it, put in workspace, and use part color. And also, this will not work with models. It has to be either like a mesh part, a part, or a union. It just has to be like one whole part, nothing else. There we go. So that's how you add another structure. Now I'm going to show you how you can add something in like the middle of the foundation. Like somewhere in the middle. Also in the future I'm going to add stairs and I'm going to show you how to make like a second floor on the whole thing. So I'm going to duplicate the wall attachment. I'm just going to say like block attachment. I'm going to put it like directly in the middle. Then we can drag that back. Now we're gonna take half wall V, and I'm just gonna scale it. Just make it like a block. Then we can rename that to block. Put it back. Then we're gonna rename this to block. Then down here, this also to block. Change the script. Block. Then also in the block script, we have to change this here to block. And then the description. I'm just gonna say a block. And we also need to, oh, here in the block, let's find it. We're gonna rename this to block snap attachment. Then in the script, it needs to find here block attachment. Then change here to block snap attachment. Boom. So let's test it out and see if it works. There we go, and it snaps. So yeah, that's how you add another object in the middle. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like on like a multiplayer server. So here's it now on multiplayer. The GUI is a bit weird like this because my screen hasn't like been stretched properly. Then we select it, the other player cannot see. Then we place it, now they can see. And then we can also go ahead and place walls. Then also the block. No, also the block. That is it for today's video. Bye guys.